guys, before I start this video, smash the like button and ding the bell. Can't forget to like and subscribe. Today I will be reading Fidgets. Am I dumb? I don't know, because it's slime. Fidgets. Tag me in the comments, yes or no. First, we have this fluffy slime that I made with my aunt. And no, I'm not going to tell you her name. Comment down some names that you think it is. It starts with an A. It's like slimy. It's not the greatest. It's purple because purple's my favorite color. Literally, look at, I'm wearing purple. My socks are not pink, they're purple actually. It just looks like that on my camera. It's not a camera, it's a phone. And it's not mine. Guess who it is? It's my mom's. I don't have any siblings. I might have already said that. And then, so we have the fluffy slime. I would rate this a 5 out of 10. Because, like, it's not that good. Maybe because it's homemade. I don't know. And then we have this Elmer's goo. You're like, no, it's Elmer's glue. I'm like, no, it's Elmer's goo. It might look opposite, I don't know. Okay, and then we have the Elmer's goo. It's so, like, it's really good, though. It's, like, a really good slime. If you like little beads in your slime in pink. That's pink. Ugh, slimy. If I had to rate this, I would do an 8 out of 10. Now look at what happened to our table. Yeah. It's gonna, so I'm gonna put all this stuff away because I don't want all this to dry. Then I'll have no slime. Yeah, those are the only 2 slimes I have. If you're wondering, it's hard to take away. Then we have the last one, my puppet purse, which it has really nice pops, but can you hear that? Here, I'll pop it right front. Let me just go the other side. Let me just pop the front first. Okay. If you can hear that, smash the like button. And then the strap that it came with, it's cool. I like it. If I had to rate this, 10 out of 10 for me. Now we have to go into my living room. Wait. Stay here. Never mind. This might not be fidgets. Most of my fidgets are in that animal room, but my dad's in there. I don't want to bother him because he's sick. So let's go in here. See if there's any fidgets in here. Because I don't have a lot, literally. If any of you are my friends, please, can you give me a free fidget at school when we come back? Because today's a snow day. And I also have this. If you want to know the girl I have, she is the black girl with black and yellow hair. Her. Yeah, her. Yep. And this is a bug mania in here. Look at, literally, look at all those things. Yeah, I don't like it in here. Look at everything you look in there. There's a million toys. Yeah. We're just gonna leave and oh, and I can't forget about my squishmallow. I got this from June's place. It's like huge. I know that probably someone wouldn't want a squishmallow. I've never seen a squishmallow before. Well, I've never seen anyone that has it. And if you know her name, because we got it from June, so of course there's not gonna be a tag. So I said that right. there. Yeah, that's the guy I got. Wait, no, you can't see that. There he is. Wait, no. Yep. Here it is. He's big. I know. And I got one for Christmas, and then I got one for my grandma. Okay, I can't flip all video things, so couldn't flip it, so sorry. Yeah, you're going in my forehead. Isn't it cool? It's like orange. What does it look like in my eyes? Wow. No, you're not gonna go in my forehead. Let's look in here. Any fidgets? Bring it in, alright. Bring it in. Bring it in, alright. Bring it in. Alright. My magical chicken nuggets. Whee! You're gonna get dizzy even watching this. Woo! Let's see if I have any fidgets in my playroom. Please. Be fidgets in my playroom. Does this count as a fidget? It's like squishy. I think squishies count as fidgets. Bye.